Arena after that thrilling set number 3.
Mulit din mo na. Mulit. Dali, dali. Yan. Lingkod. Sugar Mama.
UE overtaking UP in terms of attacks, 15 to 14. They also improved their blocking. Earlier in set number 2, nobody had 3 blocks this time around. Again, 3 to 1. Couple of bases on the side of UP and point theirs were the same. But more than the numbers you see is the effort and the fight for the Lady Warriors.
Well, definitely, grabe yung pinakita ng ND
Tindog
ngayon ng
yung buo, no?
trouble no first part, but we saw the determination from their squad.
But determination is the right word. They will not give up. They were able to get their first step in the hands of their new head coach.
Ano yung paborito mong lupit? Mulit. Ha?
They will have to be pleased with that performance as we welcome you all to set number 4 here on One Sports on the UAP Marketing Channel and on Pilipinas Live. Jeff DeBiasco and Maneg Nicolic Schwarzer covering this match. Thanking you all for joining us. We have one more game later on and Deering starting it off with a great spike.
So our first day of volleyball, lahat ng mga match extended.
Right. 5 sets in the men's. Let's see how this one goes. Ian Laco. That's the herd block total. And this defensive block is brought to you by AIA. Recent Healthy with AIA. I think that was Deering.
Yeah, I think so. Humabol na lang siya sa block na yun, but nakuha pa niya yung cross-court angle.
Another chance here for UP. Capistrano setting up the play to Olango. Yesha. Goes to the other side. Monares. Marked up by Reyes. Paglayan. Ian back to Neil. Joan. Saved by Ecalia. UE has been on the receiving end of these attacks. Olango finally gets that one.
This is a good start for UP. 3-0 started fourth set. But talk about the defense of UE. Medyo tumadami na yung mga low rallies natin for this game.
We did nothing start. You would expect UP to come out firing here in this set 4. That set stolen from them. They were up big. To the point that we go to Althea Franco of UP.
Like the pressure is really on the seniors of the UP Lady Warriors, and one of them is the open hitter of the team, Kaya Zepana, who's doing her best in lifting up her team. Even earlier, despite the weight, Kaya mentioned that after the enjoyment, kailangan mag-enjoy. For pressure can really break players more than play. Guys, was even dancing during the stretches before the match as she tried to add a little bit of joy and fast in the face of the expectations of the Warrior community that she'll be the lead scorer for her team. Continue to watch all the action here in the UAAP because legends start here. Now back to you, Dr. Paneng.
Thank you, Althea, for that report. We saw the enjoyment as the players fun in the set 3 guys have been the leader. Ipasimuno ang election na nila.
Nag-video naman kahit para nakapag-make dito ng nakapunto siya talaga sisigaw niya much to her delight para lang to uplift siya the morale of her teammate.
She gets that first ball. Paglayan. Morales covers.
40.
Maligit.
Hindi, binta.
Sakay by Haboneta.
Minsan. Sila na yun.
He checks for back-to-back.
Binta na yun.
Ball is lost. And goes to UPSB. This is
For center Julia De Leon, this season 87 is
Sa
more
likod
than
na.
just a competition. It
Sa
is
likod na.
every moment counts for her teammates, especially her seniors who inspired her throughout her journey at the Mighty Room. And with a team full of great athletes, this is a season of growth. Emerald is after season of athletic we want to dedicate every game to the team, giving them 110% effort. Beyond the win and loss, it's about making the most of every moment. Right now, let us listen to the timeout.
Ha? Alay na, klase mga bayot. Mga babae sana. Hilingon mo. Hilingon nila.
Yung score nila,
Quick timeout. Probably the quickest timeout that Coach Bates has long since in this game. Going back to that report of Chetco and Julia De Leon. She is actually a sophomore, but playing her first season here in women's volleyball. And she looks up to their goddess, just like Nika Celis in that huddle, reminding the ladies that it's all our errors that's hurting us.
actually, that's good to hear coming from the players mismo na alam nila yung nangyayari. And that was a good time out from Coach Bokbok para lang ma-relax yung squad niya and then ma-realize sila na, oo nga no, lahat ng mga binibigay nilang puntos or yung score ng UE, our majority are coming from their errors.
But how big was that set play win pa day for UE to really gain confidence na naging sanay na
I mean, kaya nila nung second set, they were just cruising, right? Konti na lang. But nung third set, pinakita nila na kaya nila kung bakit yung 10 games, it was very obvious na nila lang. Uy, dali ko! But in one bad set, coming into this third set, nag-start ng 4-0 yung UP, but umabot na naman itong UE.
No whistle yet.
13, wala ko 13. Ari lang.
UE, their lone win from last season 86, talking about the Fighting Maroons in women's volleyball, was against the Lady Warriors back in round 1, which was to end their 17-game losing streak dating from the previous season. Now they face UE once again.
Bagaon.
Hoping that they will get back to 1987. Knowing that this will not be easy. Good thing by earlier is Shibata ends it. That was Pangayat setting up Guy Shibata for her 16th point of the match. Pangilimontan is back as the setter for UP. If you're wondering, UE saying that we thought they are depleted. They're only 11, but you have to remember these players on the floor have been together for quite some time now.
Medyo madami na rin yung veterans for this UP squad. And for the first time, by 3 points, and we are our first technical timeout.
It's time for your NBA Watch and Win with Senior. Send the correct answer to the NBA question right now on your screen. Your answers by the NBA.OneSports.ph get a chance to win awesome NBA prizes. Stay tuned for NBA TV Philippines, RPTV's One Sports, and Pilipinas Live for more chances of winning.
The vlogger.
Looking well for the side of the UE Lady Warriors. They are up by 3 points for this.
Siguro ano ka?
The pressure is on for Unity because they are indeed up by 2 sets, but they are down by 3 points. Take a look at that serve. What a serve for Blaine. Targeting short ball. What a float serve. And take a look at that again. Cetaphil faster set field needs 15 essential ceramides. Taste the game with a healthy, hydrated skin. Cetaphil for everyone's sensitive skin.
We'll get used to it. But I'm sorry about the timing. But we are enjoying all the aces and volleyball action right now. Yui is they're up by 5 points. Regardless,
Sige, pag-net sa people.
Oh.
Reyes. Regardless, tip.
Laki na lamang na ng UP. This is the first time that nakakot sa labang ng UP. But take a look at that tip from Alugares.
And get this.
Pagkakit ako ang kemado.
In set 2, there were 10 deadlocks, 3 lead changes. Set 3, only 2 deadlocks and 1 lead change. That was at the latter part of that set. On the side of UP. Right now, UE.
Nakapailan ka rin lang to, dati.
Grabe. Nakita mo naman yung body language. And nakauna yung mismo ng smile. Dahil ang ganda na lang pinapakita nilang forcing UP to go for timeout.
Everyone's chanting here on that timeout. Because right now, UP find themselves behind by 7 points, which hasn't happened all throughout this game. Coach Benson has turned on to some players. Denis Lauchenko is in the game for the first time here as the opposite.
Oh, what a dive by Reyes.
Maybe she could get something going here for the Fighting Maroons, but first they go to Aguaneta, who stops the bleeding.
Finally, a much-needed point for the Fighting Maroons with Haboneta targeting the hands of her blockers. Take a look at that again.
A long dry spell for UP. They're still down by 6. They go back to Haboneta. Ikalia, Bangayan. Actually step back a little. Steering. Chance for the Lady Warriors. Here comes Sky.
Yeah.
It's wide.
That was wide. No touch from the blockers. The point will go to UP. Para pagkalaan pa lang ni Cepeda, alam na niya na outside yung palo.
Sabi niya, it wasn't the set, it was me. She acknowledges that was it. Binigyan ulit.
Yeah, bumawi naman. Balik sa kalamangan. 6 points. Ang meron dito ang UP Lady Warriors.
Serve there. Ethan Nogales rechecks that one. Return to center.
Grabe yung block ngayon ng Nogales. Talagang binagsayan niya yung attack ni Ethan. Take a look at that.
The defensive block is brought to you by AIA. Rethink healthy with AIA.
Ibibing ang leksyon ug maa.
Nogales has been playing excellent defense. Free ball for UE. Cepeda, why not? She has been the go-to of UE all throughout this match.
Well, definitely, it's pretty obvious that kapag strong man or macro yung Cepeda talagang dami nagagawa for their squad. And you can see by just taking a look at the UP squad, ang ganda ng body language nila na really ina-enjoy nila tong game na to and dahil nakakuha sila ng panalo dun sa third set. Yung momentum nasa side nila and they're forcing UP to feel the pressure and to be more rattled for this set.
What we're seeing right now on the side of UP as they go to the second technical timeout.
It's time for your NBA Watch and Win with Signal. Send the correct answer to the NBA question right now on your screen. Submit your answers by NBA.OneSports.ph and get a chance to win awesome NBA prizes. Stay tuned to NBA TV Philippines, RPTV, OneSports, and Pilipinas Live for more chances of winning.
Ang galon eh. Ay, walay na. Gusto ka. Parang mo gusto ka dito. Dili man naman natin. Siyempre dito ako. Gusto ka.
Serving for the Warriors. Novchenko gets her first point. And the UAP, all rookies of UP have played in this game.
Kung magpagupit ka po, patanggal na po.
Line-up kung sino mga gagamitin niyang first set.
Ang galon ako dito.
And she gets to the service line, Rakiano. Perfect ball. Denise Novchenko.
Yeah, clearly that was a double violation called on Ikala. But very comfortable naman itong lead nila.
Masalay ka nagpagupit.
So it's up to the youngsters of Diliman to try and make a comeback.
Sa tula.
The Reyes will bump into Cepeda. Does it go over? Cepeda wants a challenge.
Ganda. Ganda mo wala. Ganda.
Very firm about it. He wants a challenge.
Retire naman. Retire naman. Kaya tag na sa buwan. Man naman ka. Gwapo man po na yung tigka buo. Anak mo kayo.
Still a comfortable 7-point lead for UP.
Ada siya uyatap.
Gawi po, tatlo po.
No matter what happens here, Ochantin goes
Charming daw
to
siya
win.
sa eskwelahan.
What they showed in set number 3.
Ilan daw po magsabak at wala yan.
Tulog.
Lahi daw sa punta tayo sa auto. Lahi daw sa gabi.
Yeah. Moving forward, I'm
Sa
sure she
kanyang
will be.
sila. Asa? 3 days. Asa? Asa ka guys sila.
Was there a block touch?
Yeah, it looks like the right hand.
Yeah.
Ano tayo mo first day?
Cepeda very sure about that. Her eyes did not move her.
Daan ka na.
To the point, we'll go to,
Pamit ba?
Replay.
yeah, replay.
So it's still 9-16. And still, Novchenko to serve for UP. There's clarification on the officials table. This is, by the way, the opening day of season 87. Later on, we still have the match. We, the USD Golden Tigresses and the FPU Lady Diamonds. Two teams who were in the final four last season.
Taas na yun.
Ay, see?
Butan yun. Tama lang. Wala ka na
There's going to be a big game as well.
Gani ginako.
First day pa lang ng volleyball, extended na yung mga match. Grabe yung game ng men's division. 5 sets and 4 sets. And this time, itong first game ng women's division naman, extended din.
Yesterday, first.
Ang ako,
Ayo, ibit-bita na lang na
ang
ugma.
70
Comes to our first referee.
o
Para
gano'n.
ugma na lang na.
The point will be replayed because
Dala lang na isali ng ugma. Pag-limit.
if they have to
Asa ato pa continue na ni Ugma. Ako rin magkuhan ani.
May namano na na imo.
Hana ko ang
Yeah.
kailangan ng Ugma.
Baby, no?
70 o 30.
Sige, pwesto na.
Juan,
Bawi na lang. Then get
Kwenta.
Apila.
ball.
Ito na lang, ma-record lang ito sa graph. Prediction of
action resumes. The same like it was
ilang
done.
ilak mo din.
Same with Reyes.
Hindi kayo kay 20. Kaya 20.
Pwede ta.
Makita mo yung
Medyo.
reaction ng Epana after game.
Bawal
Score
na.
ka. We need to see
Kwenta ang kay Dave. Ay, isa na lang. Sige na to, ang kay Dave.
Ay, ilay
Sige na ko
yan.
ano ni mo. Anong
Ilay iya ba yun?
para pagbalik ni mo na
Isa ko na lang kung share. Ito na ko din eh.
paalala na.
Up and down mo ba, di ba?
Oh, kuhan niya. 30 yata.
Oh, 160.
Oy, sige.
Pero hindi na makabawasan.
But not enough.
Bali mo ako, 30 yan. Bali, alin ba yung lugma? Bali, ang 80 ay natin mo.
or the new
O, patong 30 kay... O, patong 30 kay...
Para pagbalik
Yan
niyo
na
din.
natin mo. Dito ko lang daan doon.
Ano kita na ako. Send sa
Take a lead.
80.
para ni ano lang ako sa
18 to 10 now.
Ano ako sa mo.
Wait ka.
They can do it, maybe.
Dapat hindi lang po.
Oy, dali dire. Ako. Dali na. Da.
Oh, Luis to find the goal. Not just an offense, but also a defense. Jazz, Minamonte gets the 1-2.
Dili ni mo ipasok. Taguon lang natin.
Slide.
11 serving 18. Still a bit of a mountain to climb for UP.